बाहर कोई कोना ढूंढ ले, बिल्कुल सबसे गंदा कोना जो है दुनिया में। So guys, we are here at the entertainment city. My brother has taken a day off, so we have decided that we'll go to the Worlds of Wonder. It's an amusement park plus water park here. Yeah, as you can see, it's so hot. So we're gonna go to the water park and chill out a little. Got our tickets. Got tickets to the original park, and one thing I just realized I forgot was to put the waterproof casing of this GoPro. Okay, since my GoPro is not waterproof, I'm gonna keep it here. Okay, let me have fun and we'll meet you later. Bye. So yeah, everything which can go wrong has gone wrong today. We have hit the traffic at the peak hour of the traffic. And yeah, I'm wearing shorts and I'm riding a 650cc inline 4 motorcycle, which has to get hot when you ride it in lower gears, and that's what exactly is happening. And yeah, we're up for a very, very, you know, challenging ride now. Alright guys, we are having a nightmare out here. We are in somewhere in Gafar Market, Karol Bagh, and this was the biggest mistake anyone can ever do. Getting a bike this big during peak hours onto this place. I mean, I'm drenching wet. It was, I mean, I didn't sweat this much in the afternoon when it was very hot. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys are able to see me. Oh, okay, we are in light now. I just got one of the things which for which I came here. So all the trouble, all the torture that we had is worth it. I got this shoe protector, which I was thinking of getting online, but then I thought I'm going to Delhi, so why not come to Karol Bagh? And this is for you can put it on any of the shoes that you are wearing. Most of the times when I go for games, I wear a sports shoe, and you know, when you shift gears with a sports shoe, the net or the material of the shoe gets damaged. So for that, this was a must buy. So I got it for ₹350, one of the shops at Karol Bagh. So Karol Bagh is generally closed on Mondays, but then few shops are open for like 2-3 hours in the evenings. So I took this chance and I rode this torturous ride. Went through his torturous ride to come here, and सारा सब कुछ ऐसे ही ख़राब ही होना है। भाई ने आइडिया दिया खाने का, और वो भी ऐसी जगह जहाँ ये हाल है। अरे माना कि भैया दुकान बहुत फेमस होगी, और सारा बाइक वाइक करने की जगह नहीं है यार। बैठ ना भाई, जल्दी निकले यहाँ से, कहीं बाहर खुली रोड में पहुँचे। अब मेरा दिमाग ख़राब हो रहा है यार, तू जल्दी बैठ। Alright guys, to put this thing on record, today's evening ride was the worst ever ride I've ever ridden in Delhi. The traffic was unprecedented. I've never seen so much of traffic in Delhi. It was peak hours, obviously. We went And yes, my bike was continuously throwing that furnace heat onto my thighs, onto my knees, but somehow we are here now. And now I have to do the packing. As you can see, everything is unpacked. I have to do the packing. I have to put this carrier onto my motorcycle. I took out this also, and then I have to start early in the morning tomorrow. Damn it. So no more complaining. I'll try and do damage control. See you guys in the morning. Bye. Alright guys, time to head out from Delhi. So yep, this is the time right now is I think 5:40 something in the morning, and yeah, I have started from Dehradun today. So I'm leaving Uttar Pradesh and going to Uttarakhand. So it's a Tuesday today. I spent a lovely little time here with my brother yesterday, and yeah, it was nice to catch up to him. Alright guys, 6:34, and I'm here in a very strange or unusually pleasant road. I'm sure this road is not the usual route to Meerut, but then yeah, it's next to a canal and it's quite smooth. And yeah, since it is not the usual route, it's not that crowdy as well. Well, since my GoPro mic was not working properly, in the morning I did see a cut in my wire which exposed the internal wire. I did try put some tape on it, but I guess it's not working. So I'll try and put my audio in this entire series during production. The road from Delhi to Dehradun was surprisingly very good. This was the first time that I was riding on this road, and before I knew it, I bypassed Muzaffarpur, reached Chutmalpur, and joined the Saharanpur-Dehradun road. Guys, look at this Fortuner ahead, the Siddiqui's one. I mean, he is driving like crazy. I don't know what's the problem with him. I reached Dehradun by about 10:30 in the morning. Alright, so guys, finally I am here, and this is the gate of Wildlife Institute of India, and she is about to come here. I don't know where she is. Oh, okay, there she is. है अभी कहाँ से गओगी? कितना दूर है? बैठेगी इस पे? प्लास्टिक पार्ट है पूरा, लेकिन भाई बस जाओगी? इस सब और एक पाँव इस पे रख. अरे नहीं, ऐसे नहीं. हाँ चल बैठ जा. तूने मेरे प्लास्टिक पार्ट पे तोड़ दिया ना, तो देखना तू. वाह भैया वाह, ये तो नेचर है. अरे ये क्या है? ये हमारा हॉस्टल है, लेकिन हम लोग. वाह यार, ये तो बढ़िया जगह है रहने के लिए. ये बस यहीं घूमते रहो मतलब. तो वाह. All right. So guys, I'm gonna chit chat with my sis a little bit. Go see the room, put my luggage in the room, and then I'll get back to you. Okay? Bye.